Hi, everyone. This is your girl, Coach Shaya. Happy Thursday, everybody. I'm going to wait a few moments for anyone to come in. I won't be here very long. I'm in my car on my way into my appointment, but I wanted to come this beautiful Thursday morning, come in really quick. So this is your girl, Coach Shaya, and I am the CEO and founder of It's My Time to Rise Business Institute, an entrepreneurial center for women where I help women get paid doing what they love and are called to do. Hi, Marilyn. Thank you for being here. Listen, I just wanted to come today to share some really quick encouragement and empowerment to all our business women, to all our boss ladies out there who are out there building. Hi, Shayla. Hey there, sis. Building your business, you out there moving forward and doing the things that you believe that you should be doing. And sometimes you get a little discouraged. It's not happening fast enough. The income is not where you desire it to be. Hi there, Lady Cheryl. Hello, Antoinette. Hello. And you feel like it's not happening fast enough, and you feel like no one wants to invest in your services or your products or what have you. And I want to encourage you, keep going. I want you to keep going. I want you to get so focused and so committed and so set your priorities to the point that everything around you, it'll drop off you like flies or whatever. And I want you to keep focused and keep going, because if you keep focused, if you keep going, you're going to reach the destination that you desire to do. You're going to reach your destination. Listen, I'm not even remotely close to where I desire to be, but believe me, I am way far off where I was. So listen, I've learned to say this prayer, and I'm going to encourage you ladies. There has been a path that God has already designed for you. The path is there. It's already been designed for you. It's already, he knows every road you would take, every direction you would take. He knows every path. So what I begin to do, I begin to pray that God, the path you have for me is already designed. Help me today to take the path that is already set before me. Help me to make the decisions that would take me down that path that's already there, that is for me. If I'm going to go the wrong direction, then of course he's going to let me know. So what I'm encouraging you to do every day, begin to pray, God, help me to take the path that you've already designed for me, because success is yours. Prosperity is yours. Abundance is yours. Health and wellness and living good. And it is yours. It really is. But you have to take the path that's going to take you to get you there. Listen, the path is not comfortable. The path is not an easy path, because it will challenge you. It will challenge you to get out of your comfort zone. It will challenge your fear. It will challenge your comfortability. It's going to challenge you. And so the thing I've learned, God is not going to lead you down a path of havoc and turmoil. That's against his nature. Yes, it's been predestined. Yes, Miss Donna. Hey, lady, how are you? It has been predestined, preordained, but you have to make a decision to walk down that path. You have to make a choice to get there, because if you don't make the choice to get there, you're not going to get to your expected end. That's what the scripture says right in Jeremiah. He says he's going to give us an expected end. How do you get to your expected end? You make the decision, you make the choice to take the path that's going to get you there. Hi there, Brother Marcus. Hey there, brother. And you got to take that direction to get you there. And so it doesn't mean that your life is going to be havoc or chaotic. What it's going to be is going to be very uncomfortable. You're going to be challenged. You're going to be you're going to have all those emotions behind that, because it challenges against our very nature. Our very nature is lazy. Our very nature is comfortable. Our very nature is that we don't want much. That's the nature. But God has so much for us that he's going to challenge us to get to that place that he desires you to get to, but it's going to be uncomfortable. So you have to go for it. Listen, you can't lose. Hey, thank you so much. Do you know that it's impossible for you to lose? Do you really understand that? That you don't lose when you take the path that God has for you? Do you really understand that the enemy is going to come with some foolishness? That's just his job. His job is to hinder you. His job is to distract you. His job is to keep you from moving forward. That's what he's supposed to do. So don't be surprised because some fiery darts coming after you. Don't be surprised because you got a little problem or something. Don't be surprised because, things are not smooth in the path. It's not perfect. Don't be surprised. That's his job. Your job is to have faith, to have trust, to have perseverance, to take action, and to do it no matter what. That's what you're supposed to do. Because at the end of this, you don't lose. At the end of this, you are not going to lose. You're going to win. I don't know why this keep going dark. How do you make it lighter? Okay. I'm trying to make it lighter. Let me see. All right. I went dark there for a second. Anyway, I just wanted to come really quick to encourage you. There we go. I wanted to come really quick to encourage you to take the path that God has already designed for you. To take the path because success is yours. I believe in the book of Joshua, God told Joshua that, and I'm paraphrasing because I don't know it by heart verbatim. And he talked about having the law, the book of the law, because it says that you will have good success. You will have good success. It's impossible to have good success without God. Point blank, period, the end. I don't care what you say. It's just impossible. So if you take the path that he has for you, you're going to win. If you take the path he has for you, you are going to win. All right? All right. I want you to stay encouraged, stay empowered. Go tell somebody about your services. Go tell someone that you have something that can change their life. Go tell someone that you have a product or a program that you know that you can help them get on the right path if they decide to move forward. I want to share this quick tip with you that I learned. This of us in entrepreneurship are afraid to share our services because we feel like we're taking from someone. But I want you to think of this in this manner. If you had the cure to cancer and you knew that you had it and you wanted to tell the world about it, why would you keep it a secret? Why would you keep it a secret? Did you hear what I said? If you had the cure to cancer and you knew it was going to change someone's life and you knew that it would heal them, why would you keep it a secret? That's how you should look at your services, and that's how you should look at your products. You have a solution that solves people's problems. Why would you not tell anyone about it? Why would you not do that? So I encourage you to tell people about what you do, how you change their lives, how you give them the tools and resources to empower them in whatever area that is. Tell them, hey, Yvonne. Thank you, right? I got that revelation. It was so clear. So don't be afraid to sell, because when you don't sell, you're not serving. You guys have a great rest of your week. I'll be seeing you soon. Many blessings. Love every last one of you. See you later.